Auto Obsessed here. Today we're talking about restoring black plastic trim that has become faded and gray from age and from UV sunlight. A few weeks ago we did a video introducing Solution Finish Trim Restore, and we used plastic door trim to show the difference between the old untouched plastic versus the like-new restored plastic. Today we have a vehicle with the plastic cowling from under the front windshield that needs restoration. When a cowl piece gets gray and faded, it's really quite noticeable as it's a large piece of trim. So our objective here is to remove the cowl from the car so we can restore a like-new black coloration and texture to this plastic. There are some popular methods for restoring plastic trim. Some will advocate heating the plastic with a torch or a heat gun. We advise against that because it actually damages the plastic. Torching the plastic is also not a permanent solution. The plastic will eventually fade again. And you can't heat the plastic more than once or twice before you start seeing flakes, cracks, and damage. And then you just have to end up buying a replacement part from the manufacturer, and that could be quite costly. Another method is dressing, but then you need to reapply often, maybe even after each car wash, which is very time consuming, and most of them also leave residue that runs down the side of your vehicle when it gets wet. Our preferred method is to clean the plastic and apply a trim restoration product like Solution Finish. For cars that come to the Auto Obsessed Detailing Studio, Solution Finish is our go-to product for faded plastic trim. It's quite easy to apply and work with. It doesn't take special conditions or a long time to cure on the plastic. One application lasts quite long, generally lasts about a year here in northern Canada with our cold winter driving, and it looks really good. It gives the plastic a great consistency, a nice subtle gloss, not too shiny, and it's a pure dark black. Have a look at the cowl here. This is clean. We've cleaned the plastic and you can clearly see discoloration in some drastically faded areas. When applying Solution Finish, just put a little bit onto a microfiber sponge, a microfiber applicator, and just wipe it on. Distribute it over the surface of the plastic. Rub it into all the areas, whether it's a faded, discolored area or not. We want a consistent look across the entire piece of plastic. Take this tape off from the center and compare the two areas. It's a night and day situation here. The Solution Finish instantly makes the plastic look so much better. So we finished the piece, Solution Finish over the entire piece of trim. It needs about 6 hours to fully cure, but after that it's quite rugged. You can wash it and treat it like a normal piece of trim, and the black Solution Finish won't come off. It'll stay that way for about 8 months, maybe more depending on your local conditions. Now we put this cowl back on the car under the wiper arms, and look, it looks magnificent. Here's before and here's after. Really nice result. This trim now looks as if it came right off the factory showroom, and we saved hundreds of dollars, maybe even more, if we had to buy that from the manufacturer. This looks exactly the way trim should look. Solution Finish comes in two sizes. They have a 1 ounce size, which does approximately 3 vehicles. They have a 12 ounce size, which does approximately 36 vehicles, so a little goes a long way. There also isn't much that's needed to use the product. Isopropyl alcohol to prepare the plastic beforehand, a microfiber applicator or sponge, something to apply the product with, some microfiber towels for later than when we have to take off the excess product, and some gloves. Solution Finish is available at the Auto Obsessed web store. Simply go to autoobsessed.com and search Solution Finish. The links are also included in the description below, along with the full description, directions, and tips on how to use Solution Finish. So be sure to check that out. Let us know what you think of the product in the comments section below and what content you'd like to see from Auto Obsessed in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to hit the notification icon to get notified when we release new videos. We will be releasing more videos soon, so don't miss out. And thank you for watching.